This is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cream eyeshadow. The recipe is from TKB Trading using their TKB Mousse Medium. So let me leave this out the way. First thing I want to do is I want to put, for this recipe, 1 1/4 teaspoon of the Mousse Medium. When you open the Mousse Medium, you always need to stir it because some of it settles. So I'm just going to squish it around real quickly. Okay. Now I'm going to put 1 1/4 teaspoon. I always go a smidge over just to make up for what gets left in the scoop. So I'm going to set that there and do the 1/4 so I can use my spatula to get the rest out. Okay. Okay. This is a real simple recipe using this TKB's mousse base. I also make cream eyeliner with this as well, liquid eyeliner rather. Okay, so that's your base. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add 1 tad of copper penny mica powder. And that's really about it. And then all we're going to do is stir. As long as you're using mica powders with this, it's real easy to make. But if you have to use a pigment, then you're going to have to wet the pigment a little bit with 91% alcohol. You just put a few drops just to wet it, and then it'll dissolve right into the base. Okay, after you get that stirred, that's it. And you have copper penny cream eyeshadow. And I'll show you what it looks like on my arm. So you either want to put this in your container real quickly when you're done, or seal it in a jar. I use a lip gloss container to do mine because after you've applied this to your skin, it will dry to like a powder. Okay, that was how you use TKB's, where'd I put it? Mousse Medium to make a cream eyeshadow.